The buildings don't lend themselves to supplying space or parking for some of the needs that are required by the community. So it's not necessarily a competitive thing. What you may be thinking of is the big box stores, the Walmarts preempting the local hardware store. And there is an argument for that. But where you're talking about a small shopping facility sized to serve the community, what we found is that the shapes of these buildings bring life to those communities. And the money that was going to be spent shopping in the past in a facility like this was money that was exiting your community from the commercial base. These people, when they left to go shopping, would go out of their house and they'd drive over 4 or 5 miles down the road to find the shopping center, or find the drugstore, or find the grocery store. Now, in fairness, when you get some of the strip uses, is it possible that you could have a new barber compete with an old barber? Absolutely. But it's generally not the death knell to downtown. And it's not the death knell because the downtowns generally are not able to provide the shapes of buildings or the sizes of buildings to meet the needs of consumers.